Well, I think that associations really have three main roles. First of all, I think they do provide a mechanism for people to engage in the basic practices of democracy. So they enable people to debate and discuss and exchange with one another. So they enable people to learn how to do democracy, and they provide a forum where people can express their views. Then I think the second thing they do is they help in the effective governing of a society. Almost all effective governing systems require a real contribution from government, but also a real contribution from civic society. And associations can help to create that civic capacity, that sense of partnership between government and people, which is then put into practice in terms of a range of activities on the ground, in terms of making better planning, better housing, better economy, better social welfare. And then I think the third thing that associations can do is actually directly provide solutions themselves. People like to be involved in solving their own problems, and associations can provide that level of service delivery and engagement that enables people to actually meet their needs and meet their challenges. So I think those are the three roles that associations actually offer, which are good for democracy and good for civil society generally.